Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. Today we are going to take the sixth problem of exercise 12.2 of chapter 12, that is areas related to circle. Okay, so let's read the problem first. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Here we need to find the areas of corresponding minor and the major segments of the circle. Okay, we have to use the pi as 3.14 and the root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay, so let's do it now. Now we are having a circle with center O and the radius of the circle is given as 15 centimeter and the central angle theta is given as the 60 degree. Okay, here we need to find the area of minor segment APB and the area of major segment. Okay, now to get the area of this minor segment, what we will do, we will subtract the area of sector OAPB minus area triangle OAB. Okay, now the area of sector OAPB is given by the formula theta upon 360 pi r square. Here theta is 60 degree. So on solving this, we will get the area of sector as 225 upon 6 pi centimeter square. Okay, so this is the area of sector. Now, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Why? Here we are having OA equal to OB, that is the radii of same circle. So we can say that the base angles, they are equal. Okay, now in triangle OAB, we can say angle O plus angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property. Okay, therefore 60 plus x equal to 180. So 60 plus 2x will be 180 and therefore 2x will be 120. And hence x will be 60 degree. So here in triangle OAB, all the angles they are of 60 degree and therefore we can say triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now area of equilateral triangle is given by the formula root 3 by 4 side square. Okay, on substituting the values of side, we get the area of equilateral triangle AOB as root 3 by 4 into 15 square. Okay, so on putting the value of root 3 as 1.73 and on solving this, we are getting the area of equilateral triangle as 97.31 centimeter square. Okay, now area of minor segment APB will be area of sector OAPB minus the area of triangle AOB. Okay, so area of minor segment will be area of sector we have calculated as 225 upon 6 pi and the area of triangle we have calculated as 97.31. Okay, so that will be on substituting the value of pi as 3.14, we will get the area of triangle, area of minor segment as 20.44 centimeter square. Okay, now area of major segment will be the area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, so area of circle will be pi into 15 square since radius is 15 and we have calculated the area of minor segment APB as 20.4 and on solving this, putting the value of pi as 3.14 and on solving this, we are getting the area of major segment as 706.5 minus 20.4 equal to 686.1 centimeter square. So the area of minor segment is 20.44 centimeter square, whereas the area of major segment is 686.1 centimeter square. Okay, so that's the solution of the given problem. To get the solutions of other problems of this exercise, do visit our website www.eganeet.com. or download our app Eganeet from Google Play Store. And keep practicing maths and enjoy maths. Thank you.